Hello and welcome to Kinder Art with Mr. Mariani. I'm Mr. Mariani and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a landscape. So, let's look at this word landscape. What do we think the word landscape means? We see this word land and we kind of know what that one means, because if we think about what land is this green part on the globe, which means that it's areas like grass, mountains, anywhere where there's really not water. So when we think about landscape, we can think, well, I know what the word land means, so it must mean that this is a picture or a drawing of something outside. So that's exactly what a landscape is. It's a picture or a drawing of something outside. So let's do one today. So today, to do a landscape, what we're going to need is we're going to need one piece of paper, just a regular white piece of paper. We're going to need one pencil. It can just be a regular pencil. If you have a little eraser, that does help. And if you have colors at the end of this project, that'd be the time you get to use your colors. But for this project, I'm going to start off with just the paper and pencil, okay? Now there's two ways to use your paper. And actually, they call this way landscape, and they call this way portrait. We're going to learn about a portrait tomorrow, but let's start with the landscape. So the paper goes side to side, not up and down. So let's slide the paper so it's very wide. See how wide this paper is? It's tall like this, and it's wide like this. Let's keep it wide. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make what's called a horizon line. Now, I know it's a really big word, but we're going to learn that again probably in second grade. So I need to make a line in the middle of my paper, not at the top, not at the bottom, right in the middle. So here comes my line, straight across. So now I have two halves to my paper. I have a top and a bottom. And this line separates the sky from the ground. So this is going to be our ground, and this is going to be our sky, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some mountains into my landscape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sharp line. So I'm going to go ouch, 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 ouch. And I got these sharp lines that go across, and these are going to be my mountains. Now, I wanted to make my mountains smaller in the middle and bigger on the sides. That's up to you. Then let's make our mountain caps. So ouch, 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 ouch. Perfect. We got those really cool tops of our mountains where maybe we could have some snow, okay? So now I have my landscape and I need to make some more details. So what I might want to do is I'm going to make a sun that's setting behind my mountains. And how I do that is I take my pencil, I put it by my mountains, go up and down. Perfect. We don't see the full sun because it's hiding behind the mountains. And if you want to make these little marks, you can. Now let's take some bumpy lines and make bump, 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 bump. And my landscape is starting to look really nice. Now I got to think about what I want on this ground down here. And I want a river. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to put a little tiny dot. Now, if Mr. Mariani is going too fast for you guys, feel free to hit pause, rewind this video. That way you can take your time and try your hardest to be the smartest artist. So we're trying our hardest now to be the smartest artist, and that means putting a little tiny dot right below our mountains. Then I'm gonna do my smooth line. Remember our lines? Here we go. Smooth. And I'm gonna do one more smooth line. Smooth. Now my line got wider as it went down. So that's where my water is going to come. Now the last thing I can do is I can add in little details, just little bump lines for my water if I wanted. You can make something in the grass. This is where you get to use your imagination and be really creative. So we have this beautiful landscape, and we know it's a landscape because it's a drawing of outside. We have a horizon line that separates the sky from the ground. We have some nice sharp lines that make our mountains. We have a nice curved sun, some smooth lines that make our water, and some clouds with some bumpy lines. So this is going to be your project for today. It's a fun project. And once you get good at drawing outside, you can add in all these different details. Like maybe I want to make a horse outside, or maybe I want to make a cactus. I don't know. It's up to you. Use your imagination. I'm excited to see what you make.